What is up, everybody? It's Attica Bradley, aka the Challenger. I am going to be doing a contract challenge. Okay, hold on. Now, what you do here is actually a pretty cool assignment. What you do here is your brain gets tricked by copyright. When you spill the methanol, you automatically think that you're a fake treatment by copyright. So I'm going to show you what happens when you plug you in, okay? And what he's going to do is I will let you. Okay? Three, two, one. Oh gosh. All of a sudden, the methanol hit. If you want to try it, you can. Nick the science experiment and try to stay short, but this one is cool to do. This one might be something cool. See you later. Bye bye.